In this video, we see the process of making a metal frame, which is done with care and precision. Starting with the arrangement of the materials, every corner is tidied up to ensure the end result is sturdy and symmetrical. Note the joints, they fit perfectly. If the metal could talk, it might say, "Wow, I look handsome after I assemble it." Next, the welding process is carried out carefully to ensure each connection is strong and durable. Nothing is just stuck on. Everything is measured and adjusted to the smallest detail. And look at the results. The frame looks neat, sturdy, and ready to use. It's just a hair's breadth from the ideal connection. Strong, precise, and unwavering. If you enjoy this kind of work, don't forget to follow and share this video. See you on the next exciting project.